Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how do we complete the round wire spring. So in the previous video, we looked at this question: how to draw a round wire spring of diameter 12 millimeter that has an internal diameter of 80 millimeters and a pitch of 70 millimeters. The question continues. Draw three pitches for the spring, okay? Now, this is what the finish spring would look like, right? For the three pitches, right? So we have our center line going around, right? We have the diameter of the wire, right? I haven't shown it in this picture, right? So that's the diameter, right? So the ends, this is what the front part would look like right here, right? Right here. When you cut the spring, this is what it would look like. And then going up, this is what this first corner would look like. Right? That's what when you cut it, right? That's what it would look like. Let's look at this corner. So there is that corner. This is what this corner would look like. All right. And then the other one going at the top, what happened? This curve continues up to the circle right there. Okay. So this is what the finished thing would look like. Now, the end of it has two possibilities. It can look round like that, or it can look square like that if you want to call it square, okay? So what I did, I showed the two possibilities of what the end of the spring could look like. So what this is actually in the hidden details, you know. See, there it is. The spring is going around from your face towards the inside of your computer screen, okay? So if you was watching a television, the spring is coming back and pointing, this part is pointing towards the television, inside the television, right? While this end down here is pointing to you. Yes, so it's going there, go around and come back, right? So this is how the end would look like. All right, this is how you would get the lower end. Remember the end I showed you, this would be the lowest point on the spring. What you would do, after you draw the spring going around, you have to copy this one. You have to copy it, copy this, and put it down there to actually start the next one that is not shown, right? So this is where you get this line from. That line that you saw in the thing there, that is what you have there, okay? So the continuation before you cut it. So this is when you cut it, okay? Now looking at my spring, you notice that I need to darken right there, okay? So I'm gonna darken it. So there, there. All right. And that is it, all right? What I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how I got the corners, right? So see there, that circle? That's where that one would fit, right? And this circle would be where that one would fit, right? So going up, right? This is where this circle would fit. That is where this circle would fit. See, let me just finish it for you, right? So going up, this is where this circle would fit, all right? So what I'm saying is, at the base, I showed you how to get the end there, right? So if I was to show you the circle down here, let me show you the circle down here. All right, let me show you how you get the lower circle, the end that is cut, as I call it, right? So come here, here it is, right there. See that? So this is what the end would look like, and I showed you not too long ago how you would get this line, right? And this line is not really a line, it's the continuation of the spring going down to the next part. Is that clear? All right. So at the end, this is what it would look like. So this would come around, and this one would be in front, and then go around. You have the circle, and then we connect. So this is what the corners would look like. Okay. All right. And then the at the top, as I told you, there's a circle and then the hidden part because it's going away from us. Okay. So I hope this video was useful in helping you to complete the round wire spring. So remember, there are two ways to represent the ends of the spring. It can look like this, where it looks like what? I don't know what shape is that. It looks like a cap, right? Well, this, when I say cap, I mean, let me show what I mean by cap. This. So you have the circle here and this pointed part, this, and then the semicircle. That's what I mean by a cap that you would wear on your head, all right? And then the top now would be round, right? So now the way in which I draw the spring, right? This would be going away from your face, while down the bottom it's pointing towards us, right? So it goes around. So that is why this the end of it looks like this, right? Because this is going behind it. All right. So this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at how we complete the round wire spring. I hope your drawing is fabulous as it is always is. And thanks for watching the video. In the next video, I'll be looking at the conic sections. All right. So see you in the next video. See you in the next video. Take